Hey, what's up, everybody? Thank you for stopping by 5 Minutes of Construction. This is the home of the how-to and DIYs for all of your landscape and outdoor construction needs. So today we're going to be showing you how we build this patio. This is an Oklahoma patio with an outdoor kitchen. So you can see we got the lines marked out with the string lines, and we're about to start marking. See, we got the guys here digging out the grass, scalping out the area, and removing all the soil. See, we got all of the soil removed here, and now what we're doing is relocating the irrigation lines. As you can see here, they all get moved to the outside of the patio, and this is where they were before. Now they're running all along the outside of the patio here. Now this next photo, you can see that white pipe in the background. That's a drain pipe, so that's for the water to get drained, and this is a drain pipe for the outdoor kitchen. It'll tie into the existing drain that we just put in. And this is the border for the patio. You can see the border, the road base, and the rebar going in right there. And now what we're doing is we're compacting it here. This is a plate compactor. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna compact everything real nice and tight. So when we come and lay the stone on top of it, like it is here, everything's nice and solid. There's no voids or anything inside that road base. And you can see we got the stone set here. Looks like with gray on the bottom, and we haven't filled in the joints yet. We got a little further here. You can see we came a little further back, and we're still setting them with the gray on the bottom and the Texas tan in the joints, just like I pointed out there. And you can see we got some voids there. That's where the stones will go, and where it's filled in, that's where the Texas tan joints are at, and that's how they will look. So here's the stone. I believe this job took about 8 tons of Oklahoma stone. And here we go. This is where the kitchen will be. And then we got the rest of the patio set there, you can see. And this is the outline for the kitchen. So we're getting the kitchen outlined and drawn up right here. And here's some more of the patio so you can check it out for yourself and see what it looks like. And there's the outdoor kitchen cinder block going up right now. There's the other portion of the kitchen furthest to the screen. You can see we're starting to build up the cinder blocks there as well. And those brick ties are to help keep the stone up against the cinder block. And you can see here we started getting some of that stone up right there. That's where the grill will go. And we're putting some stone. And here we are cutting, setting everything up. Very nice. Everything's looking great. Thank you guys for stopping by. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that like button, and comment down below what's your favorite type of job you do. Or if you're a tradesman, let me know what kind of trade you do. Here we are cutting the stone. This looks like the last part. We had to add a channel grate here for water that was accumulating right there because that concrete slab was pitching towards ours. But there we go. There's the outdoor kitchen. We're going to start installing the appliances, finish that off right there and get everything tied up. And here we are marking out the cap for the stone that's going to go before the actual cap of the stone, so it's on the veneer. And here we are. You can see the kitchen is coming together real nice. Here I am cutting, and here's the step that we just built. There's a channel grate that we just finished off, and then there's the patio. And then we come by and look at the kitchen. You can see we still got to add the appliances and whatnot. So we're not completely finished yet, but we will begin there. There's the appliances right there. Now you can see that everything's taken care of. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and continue following 5 Minutes of Construction. Thank you guys for stopping by. See you on the next one. Bye.